Craving something sweet at night, but want to avoid that dreaded sugar spike? Say hello to your new best friend, the yogurt parfait. Late night snacks don't have to mess with your blood sugar or your sleep. With just a few simple ingredients, you can whip up a healthy, satisfying parfait that's as kind to your taste buds as it is to your body. Let's get started. Here's the deal. Sugary snacks at night can cause a blood sugar roller coaster. You feel great for a few minutes. Then comes the crash. Plus, those spikes can mess with your sleep and leave you feeling groggy the next morning. But don't worry, our yogurt parfait is here to save the night. Here's what you'll need for a sugar-friendly, nutrient-packed yogurt parfait. Step 1. Choose your yogurt. Go for unsweetened Greek yogurt or a low-sugar option. It's high in protein, low in sugar, and gives you that creamy base. Think of yogurt as the foundation of your snack. It keeps you full without the sugar spikes. Step 2. Add fresh fruits. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are perfect. They're low in sugar but packed with flavor and antioxidants. Berries bring the sweetness without the guilt. Bonus: they're great for your skin too. Step 3. Layer on the crunch. Add a handful of unsweetened granola, nuts, or seeds for texture and healthy fats. The crunch factor not only makes it satisfying, but also slows down sugar absorption. Step 4. Finish with a dash of flavor. Drizzle a little honey, sprinkle cinnamon, or add a touch of vanilla extract for extra flavor. These small touches take your parfait from healthy to heavenly. So, why is this parfait your late night hero? Protein. Yogurt helps stabilize blood sugar. Fiber. Berries and nuts slow sugar absorption. Healthy fats. Nuts and seeds keep you full longer. Together, these ingredients keep your blood sugar steady and your cravings satisfied. Ready to say goodbye to sugar spikes and hello to delicious late-night snacks? Try this yogurt parfait and let me know your favorite toppings in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow late-night snacker. Healthy living never tasted so good. Yogurt parfaits. Sweet dreams, no sugar spikes.